I really like staging because I was raised in the theater. I just love to be raised by people who are pretending to be someone else in their day job. And then I also just love the idea that you have a piece of foam or a piece of wood pretending to be something else than what it is. The sets are also actors. I just find it thrilling. Thinking about this piece, there is big influence for me from kind of heroic social realism, like Diego Rivera's murals in Detroit, where you see people in lab coats working on progress, and a lot of like Soviet murals in universities and hospitals that have this idea of the heroic doctors and scientists. And I really respect what is happening in the building, and it's an ode to that. So in the video there are 7 different scenes, one scene for each day of the week. The idea was just to do epic sets and sort of mundane things happening in the sets, like things that mirror what's happening in the building. So people walking back and forth in lab coats, kind of Gone with the Wind meets normal day. We're now shooting 3 sets. Last week we were shooting 4 sets at the same time, and we do just 8-hour work days. So we just start at 9 o'clock in the morning and finish at 6 o'clock. So, and now we are doing the second day of the 3 sets. So now we are shooting stuff that's going to be that's going to be around 10:30 in the morning in the Merck Tower. My hopes for the piece are really, it's going to be a nice thing to be around in the building. That slowly you start to see that the tempo of the piece reflects your own tempo while working there. Like when you go and get your coffee break at 2:15 on Wednesdays, you really see that person is sitting on that stone also at 2:15 on Wednesdays. So you start to feel a rhythm in the piece, reflecting your own rhythm.